Welcome to Brussels, another busy week, but the last one before Easter. Although we don't have long Easter holidays, we'll be back in work on Tuesday. And we've had another Evans joining us this week in Brussels, Steffan Evans, who's a student who's come here for a week to experience the kind of work that we do here in the Parliament in Brussels. So Steffan, tell us a bit about yourself, where you're from, what you do.
Well, I'm originally from Carmarthen, and I've been a law student now in Cardiff. This is my third year, and an opportunity came up through the Cardiff University to come out here and have a look to see what you do and other MPPs. It's been a really interesting week.
Was it different to what you expected?
It's certainly larger than it was expected. Having done it for a bit in university and having an interest in politics, I kind of knew what the impact of the year was. But coming out here, seeing how much work you do and the Commission and all the other, how they interrelate, it's certainly been an eye-opener.
And of course you've been looking at it from a Welsh point of view, but also from a legal point of view. And what we do is so important in terms of the laws and how it affects Wales. Do you think that that's where your career might lie, maybe in Brussels or in politics?
Well, certainly sort of politics and law was sort of my interest, devolution law in particular. And certainly work sort of within this field is certainly something that does interest me. I don't know if I'd want to be a frontline politician, but certainly working in this field has been really interesting for this week anyway.
Great, well it's been really good to have you here with us in Brussels this week, and I hope it helps in the future.
Thanks.